Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about the hand washing. Hand washing is not only prevent diseases but it keeps you healthy. Hand washing after the sneezing or the coughing. We do the hand washing in the clinical area or the at the office. Hand washing is the best way to prevent employees from getting sick and spreading germs to the others in the workplace. So at the workplace, hand washing is very important. We do the hand washing after handling with the pet animals. We do the hand washing before, during, or after preparing the food, and after and before eating the food. We do follow the 6 steps of the hand washing. We have to wet our hand with the clean running water and apply soap and lather your hand by rubbing. Rub the palm and the back of hand and vice versa, interlacing your finger, cupping the fingers which is interlocking, clean the thumb with rotatory motion, rub the palms with your fingers and this rotation. This is the full 6 steps of the hand washing. We do the hand washing in the 60 second or 1 minute. It is the medical hand washing we do the for the 60 second. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.